Good evening, Zena James here with your forecast, and we have a new tropical wave that emerged off the African coast yesterday, and right now that is the stronger of the two waves that we have out in the Atlantic. We will be keeping an eye on that, but models aren't showing any developments for this wave either, but it could bring increased chance for moisture and showery activity heading into the next week, while the first wave we can expect by Friday. Now it is Travel Tuesday after all, so looking at the wider Atlantic, we have two tropical waves in the Caribbean Sea that are generating scattered showers and thunderstorms over most of the Western Caribbean, but these two are not under any threat to develop into a named system either. But here at home, not a lot happened. Some moisture due to daytime heating would have tried to help clear out some of that dust, as we had a few brief passing showers and isolated thunderstorms over the western half of Trinidad, with brief heavy showers over north central areas like St. Augustine and Tunapuna. When it comes to haze, this line of Saharan dust that affected the eastern Caribbean islands today, reducing air quality all the way down to moderate, which for those of us with respiratory ailments would have made it felt difficult to breathe. Now, we will see a slight increase tonight as that darker shading moves over us and will remain there heading into Wednesday as well. Now, the drier sinking air is helping to continue suppress moisture, and we are also the influence of a ridge pattern, which tends to bring more stable weather, which we will continue seeing heading into the night, with mostly clear skies aside from a very few isolated showers and nighttime lows of 24 degrees in Trinidad and 25 over in Tobago. Now, yesterday I said that this could be one of the drier weeks within the wet season, as those two tropical waves are still out in the eastern and central Atlantic, and it's holding that trend still. So for Wednesday, we are expecting mostly hot and sunny day. And when we say hot, we mean hot, up to 33 degrees for our temperature, and that means keep those bottles on hand and stay hydrated as much as you can. Similar to today, daytime heating could bring brief isolated showers and a low chance for the odd thunderstorm in the afternoon, mostly over hilly and western parts of Trinidad, where gusty winds and street or flash flooding are possible during heavier activity. Tobago, you won't be left out of the dry trend, because you too will see hot, sunny and slightly hazy conditions throughout the day, with just an odd passing shower and a daytime high of 32 degrees. This week would be one of the best times to capitalize on the seas, since not only is the weather permitting, but our seas are remaining in the moderate range, with wave heights up to 1.5 meters in open waters, but staying below 1 meter in sheltered areas. And of course, here's a quick look at our tidal times for both Trinidad and Tobago. But before we go, flying over to the Pacific for a bit, Iona rapidly upgraded to a major hurricane and will continue to move westward south of the Hawaiian Islands, while Tropical Storm Kelly is still east of Iona, moving westward as well, but will either dissipate or be absorbed by Iona as it continues along its path. Two of these three areas of interest are both at a high chance for development, while another has developed in the same area as the one off the southwestern coastline of Mexico. So we're keeping an eye on these areas as well, because one of these could be the new Gil.